The Tufts University student who was essentially kidnapped off the street by plainclothes Gestapo, ICE agents, talked about her experience, stating that when she expressed fear about what was happening, the ICE agents told her, "We are not monsters, and we do what the government tells us." Which to me just comes off as the Nuremberg defense, or the just following orders defense, which is an argument that states that a person is not responsible for their actions so long as they were following a direct order from a superior officer. And this was an argument that was used during the Nuremberg trials, which were a set of trials held by the Allies against various Nazis for their various invasions throughout Europe and the atrocities that they committed during the Holocaust. And during these trials, the tribunal recognized that someone simply following orders does not absolve them of responsibility for the actions that they have taken. That is to say that individuals are responsible for their actions even if those actions were undertaken as a result of a direct order from a superior officer. So no, Mr. ICE agent, sir, you are monsters. The fact that you sent innocent people, because of the 238 people that were sent to be held in Secot, 75% of them had no criminal record. So the fact that you sent innocent people to be held in a maximum security torture prison overseas without due process, that makes you monsters. But before Secot, you guys were sending people to be held at Guantanamo Bay without due process. It came out that the people being sent there were low risk, meaning they had no criminal background and were simply undocumented immigrants. That was their only crime. And the fact that you guys did that makes you monsters. The fact that you deported a U.S. citizen recovering from cancer along with her entire family while they were on a way to an emergency medical consult makes you monsters. The fact that you guys arrested and essentially tortured a green card holder, a legal permanent resident, and still continue to hold them a month later with no charge makes you monsters. And if you head over to my Patreon, which is free, you will find an article that I wrote. This article is titled Concentration Camp USA, where I outline the abuse faced by migrants in ICE detention. For example, a facility in Georgia that was giving women procedures without their consent, many of which left some of these women sterilized. But we also outlined the fact that in some detention facilities, migrants aren't given medications that they require. They aren't given proper medical attention. The fact that in some cases when migrants speak out about these conditions, they are retaliated against. A whole list of things which literally makes you guys monsters.